Hello there, diecast fans! Welcome back to the channel! If you are into JDM cars, motorsports and aggressive modern styling, you came to the right place. In this video we are unboxing the Toyota GR86 Cup, a track-ready beast recreated in miniature form by Hot Wheels. The Toyota GR86 Cup is a special race version of the road-going GR86. It is driven in Toyota's own racing series, the GR Cup. It is built to perform on the track while still keeping the spirit of an affordable sports car. Under the hood of the road-legal version is a 2.4-liter natural aspirated 4-cylinder boxer engine, pumping out impressive 234 horsepower. The car is rear-wheel drive, lightweight and razor-sharp when it comes to handling. With performance suspension, upgraded brakes and a stripped-down interior focused on racing essentials, this car is a true driver's machine. Very impressive indeed, but I guess most of us cannot afford such an amazing car. But this JR86 Cup variant was just released in the Hot Wheels main line. If you are hunting for it, now is a good time to hit your local store or online seller. If you are a Hot Wheels JDM collector or just a fan of cool cars, this one deserves a spot in your collection. And that is my take on the Toyota GR86 Cup. I've got to say, Hot Wheels once again delivered a model that blends fun and details at a very good price. What do you think about this amazing model? Let me know in the comments. And that is all I wanted to show you this time. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more weekly diecast content. Thanks for watching and I will see you next Sunday with more diecast dreams on wheels.